Alright, so I on accident I hit the not the button to stop it, so I just make another part to it. This is the other part. So yeah, there's the handlebars and stuff, and it's I'm gonna put it together. So watch the first part because I on accident hit the button. So yeah, I'm gonna put this bad boy together. So I just put it back together. And it's all good. I got the handlebars already secured; they won't move. I got my grips. That's done. Those are done. That's done. The pegs are done, and I got everything done. So see ya. Make sure you share this video and leave a like and subscribe if you already haven't. Turn on notifications, and I'll see you in the next one.